Hello, my name is Mark Weiss, hair and makeup artist here in New York City in the freelance. I work in commercial print, fashion, and entertainment celebrity. I've had some of my clients, including Miss Cat here, who has asked me, I have a wig, but sometimes it falls off or it moves. How can I attach my wig? So she has her wig on already, and there's a few different things that you can do. The most simplest, easiest thing that you can do is to use hairpins, or bobby pins, shall I say. The biggest area that really tends to move and everything is right here into kind of like the temple sideburn area. So what you would end up wanting to do is just find that edge. She already has her wig cap on. So we can just attach that to the wig cap, press that tip down, slide your pin in, which will end up going with her hair and the wig cap. Now you're going to go in as an X. When you X these pins together, it will give it a much stronger hold because one goes on top of the other to kind of lock it in. And then you just pull your hair forward. You can hide them in there. Usually, you just take a little bit of hair, just put it on top. Another thing that you can do is you can use a double stick wig toupee tape. You're going to want to actually stick some of this onto the edge of your wig cap right there. And then what you do is you put your wig on, roll it back a little bit. The tape has two sides to it. And so the first side, when you stick it on, sticks to the wig cap. The second side, once you put your wig on so you can place it, because it's very sticky, then you just roll it back a little bit like I am now, and you pull off the two sides of the tape, lift your wig out a little bit, pull it tightly forward, and then just press. Now it is stuck to the actual wig cap itself with a little bit of tape, and your wig cap is really going to hold. If somebody's interested and has a lace wig, what you want to use is something like a scalp guard, because that's going to help keep the glue from irritating your skin. Some people have that issue. What I like to do is a little liquid tape. This particular one has a little spongy onto the top so that it doesn't really flow, because if you do a lace wig or anything of using any kind of glue, you know that it comes out in goos and you need to spread it out. This will actually be all spread out and you just build it up. And you just put that directly under your skin and then pull your wig piece forward and press. That is how you attach a wig. My name is Mark Weiss. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.